Hello, fourth grade. I hope you're having a great week. Excited to talk to you about a new strategy you worked with this week, this subtraction strategy, adding up. I actually put this into a word problem just as another way to contextualize what's being asked of you. If I said Mr. Harrison reads 150 pages each week, so far he has read 36 pages this week, how many pages does he need to read to reach his goal for the week? Well, if you think about it, we're wanting to read a total of 150 pages. We want to get to 150. That's the end goal. That's the whole, right? The part, well, we're starting at 36. I'm going to do this vertically just to show you something. So I think about it. If I'm working up from 36, well, what would I add to 36 if I wanted to get up to 50? Well, I would hope I would add 14. And I've said, well, remember, I want to end up at, so I want to end all the way up at 150. Wouldn't I add another 100? So in this situation, we know that the difference between 150 and 36 is a difference of 114. Another way to look at it is, we could also do it this way. What if we said, let's say our whole was 300. Let's say that the problem was 300, and let's say it was minus 145. Okay, we want to know the difference. Well, again, if we use the adding up strategies, the whole amount that we're looking for is the 300. So we say, well, we're starting at 145, and we're going from there. So if I start at 145, well, maybe I only go to 150. So then I added 5 to get there. And then let's say, well, you know what, maybe I want to go to 200. So I added 50 there. And then I'm saying, well, wait a second, I didn't get to 300 yet. I'm still 100 away. If we bring all that together, that's 155. And that would be our answer. So that's how you use the subtraction adding up strategy. You think about what the whole amount is, you take the part, and then you work your way up from the part to the whole. Okay, there's multiple ways you can do this, but that's the idea behind it. If you have any questions, please ask Mrs. Colton, come ask myself, or even one better, ask your friends. I mean, having your own friend explain it to you not only allows them to be engaged in their learning, but it allows you to hear it in a totally different way. Okay? Enjoy. Thank you.